Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, comprehensive iPhone 12 leaks brings all the detail ahead of the next real event. So, everything is set for the Apple to introduce the iPhone 12 series this coming Tuesday on October 13. The long-awaited keynote will commence at 10 a.m. PDT or 5 p.m. UTC at Apple Park in Cupertino. And now we have a nice summary of what to expect. Chinese tipstar Kang, who holds a strong reputation with hates past leaks and got the stamp of the approval from Ice Universe, compiled a detailed post with all the key iPhone 12 detail, including pricing and the availability. As you can see, this is the king post on Vivo. So 4 iPhone are expected with the entry level iPhone 12 mini starting at $699 for its 64 gigabytes storage. Apple most affordable new phone will boost 5.4-inch display. We also have the regular iPhone 12 and 12 Pro with their 6.1-inch screens, as well as the iPhone 12 Pro Max coming at 6.7-inch big screen. All new model gets Super Retina XDR display, which feature increased hardness. We suspect a growing latest Vectus glass, although the tipstar makes no mention of it. Like the rest of the lineup, the entry-level iPhone 12 will boost 5G connectivity, but all the US model will super fast mmWave standard. Apple will introduce Smart Data Mode, which toggles between 4G to 5G based on the app bandwidth, with the goal of preserving battery life. In terms of camera, the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 will pack a dual setup with a regular wide and ultra wide angle combo with f1.6 aperture. The iPhone 12 Pro model get a wide, ultra wide, and telephoto 3 cameras, as well as LiDAR sensor. The telephoto on the iPhone 12 Pro is said to be 52mm equivalent with a 4x optical zoom, while the Max bump it up to 65mm with 5x optical zoom. The iPhone 12 Pro Max model is also reported to feature 47% larger sensor with a 1.7 UM pixel. All 4 phones should come with a Deep Fusion Smart HDR3 and improved night mode. All models are also reportedly coming with a Dolby Vision HDR video recording capability. Apple is bringing back MagSafe charging through. This time it will be in a wireless form and with a 15-watt speed according to the past leaks. All new iPhone model will support wireless top-ups via a proprietary charger which attach to the back of the phone via magnets. Pricing of the new generation iPhone starts $699 for the iPhone 12 mini and $799 for the iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 mini and a 12 both with 64GB storage option. Those two will get 128 and 256GB upgrade option as well, and will come in a black, white, red, blue, and a green color. The iPhone 12 Pro start $999 for, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max will go for $1,099. They will ship with 128GB storage as standard through. You will get 256 and 512GB storage option as well. Color are limited to the gold, silver, graphite, and navy blue. The mini is expected to hit markets around November 13, while the regular iPhone 12 should go on a sale on October 23 alongside the iPhone 12 Pro. The 12 Pro Max sales will tip off in November 20. These are all of US launch date, although most major market will probably follow a similar timeline. Apple is expected also to announce its new HomePad mini, which come in 8.4cm in a size packs the S5 chipset, and a price is $99. Sale should be calmer on November 16. So this is the full detail of the upcoming iPhone 12 series. 3 days more to launch the iPhone 12 series. Let me know in the comment section about the upcoming iPhone 12 series. Are you waiting for the upcoming iPhone 12 series? And make sure to like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.